everybody. Hope you are doing all right out there this evening. Please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. I would like to invite you to join some YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, giveaways, and perks. Check out our merch store. Check us out at DonkeyStomper.com. That's DonkeyStomper.com. Big shout out to the YouTube channel and Patreon channel members. We appreciate you. Big shout out to all the customers for the business support. We appreciate you here at Donkey Stomper Products. Guys, we've got a Palomar. Well, it's in an old Palomar case, but it's a 450 box line. Somebody custom built it. It's 1XG driving 4XG2879s. It was one 2879C driving 4XG2879s. Well, I put a regular HG in there, retuned the input and output on the one pill section, retuned the output on the main amp, went through and just basically cleaned it up, changed some windings in the transformers on the input on the one pill driver section. It wouldn't do like 500 watts when I got it, so that's where we're at. We're going to do a quick review of it here and see what it's doing. We'll look at our straight through SWR, watching the needle in the right, the input SWR. Hello audio, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, almost done. Turn him on. I don't know if the variable's wide yet. Look at your input SWR over there. Variable wide open, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Almost no SWR on the input, really good tune. 900 and some change, getting on down. We're at 14.7 volts on my little 1x4 rebuilt, custom 1x4. Turn the variable all the way down. I did do my variable mod to it too and fixed all that up. Hello, variable all the way down, variable all the way down, 1, 2, 3. Decky is 0, I don't have no carrier on the radio hardly at all. Turn the variable right back wide open. Hello, 1, 2, 3. Worldwide, get on down, break. We're gonna go over to the outdoor dummy load, the colossal outdoor dummy load. Check it out on the LP100. Hello worldwide, 868 some change. Hello worldwide, getting on down, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We're getting a little bit of RF on the speakers right there, but everything we got hooked up, it don't surprise me. But there you go, man. Got a good SWR on the outdoor dummy load. She's all good to go. I'll get with you on this. I'm going to turn that fan off. All right, guys, I'm going to do one more repair, this guy's other box. And then I'm going to do Mr. 121 Mopar's 4-pill bass. Then I may slip in there and do another repair or two. Then I'm going to do Mr. Mopar's 16-pill bass. We've got several orders to do, a 2x8 mobile, just off the top of my head, a 16-pill mobile, a 2-pill bass, a couple 4-pill basses, a 1x4 mobile, special build, just several things going on, guys, and we got several repairs over here. If you're waiting on your amplifier or waiting on your repair, please be patient with us. We've had a lot going on with the sick dog, tower tried to fall down, everything, but we're getting it straightened out, guys. We did have time. We worked on this audio a little bit tonight, so maybe it's a little better. That's about all I got for you guys. Alrighty, guys, I appreciate you watching. Please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. I would like to invite you to join some YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, giveaways, and perks. Y'all take care. Your friend in 10, 018 Beavis, Donkey Stomper.